It's that time again, folks. It is NFL season, and everyone is cheering for their team. And so I linked up with the folks over at Screen Skinz, and they have hooked it up. So, Packers fans, stand up. Yes, I have this here. Let me just show you this now, because I'll never hear the end of it in my house about this particular team. You know, my competitor lives with me for some reason. I'll allow this to happen. There it is. The Eagles. Can you see that? Yeah. That's it. We're not gonna show them any love. I'm gonna put that on the iPhone 17 Pro and 16 Pro. But for now, we are gonna look at the Packers. We're gonna hook up the iPhone Air. You can head over to Screen Skinz website. I'll leave a link in the description to where you can grab yourself your skin or your screen protector of your choice with your team. So when you open up the box here, you end up getting a glass here, screen protector. Here it is. Cheeseheads, where you at? Can you guys see that reflection? It kind of disappears when you tilt the phone at certain angles, and that's what makes this so cool. You would think that, you know, this screen protector would not do well, you'd be able to see, but it's actually really cool, and I'm gonna try to do my best. There it is, Packer. Right there, you can it says Packers on there. So this is what you get in the box. And then they get a little thank you here and a little cleaning kit. So let's dress up the Air. Let me grab my rag here. We're not gonna show them Eagles no love. We're not doing that. No, I'll surprise her with that later. I'm just gonna lay this down so I can get a steady fit on my table here. We're going to clean off this phone here. Look what comes inside of here. Let's get inside of here. This is the packaging that comes in here. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It tells you how to do it. So let's get into this. And what do you get? I'm sure you get the basics, dust removal and cleaning. Yep, you get a nice wet wipe. Here we go with their logo on. That's a cool logo. That is a cool logo. So you get the logo. You got the logo here again. Screen Skinz. This is actually pretty cool. You got a microfiber cloth, wet wipe, and you get some dust removal tools here. So this is pretty cool. We're going to go ahead and clean this off. Again, shout out to Screen Skinz for providing the tempered glass for each of the devices. I'll be doing a video as well. Follow up again with the other one. Let's get... I like that this comes with a frame. Some don't come with frames. I'm going to go ahead and power the phone off. I'm just going to power it off. We don't want to mess around. There we go. Let's rub it down. Rub-a-dub-dub. And then we'll get this all squared away. I love doing these installations real time for you. Sometimes I speed them up, sometimes I don't. Most times I don't speed them up, but yeah, we're not gonna speed this up because we're gonna talk about the Packers. As recording this video, I think we play Dallas on Sunday. Get ready to bring it. Better try hard, Dallas. Statistics show we're gonna kill them, but that's just statistics. We'll see how it goes. All right, let's get the dust removal tool. And then I'm gonna drop that frame on, and then I'm gonna drop that glass on. It's gonna be fire. Yeah, this is actually a really cool concept, and I've actually never even seen this before. So you've got its labeled top, so that lets you know to put it on. This is the top of it. Perfect fit, folks. Take your time with this. Make sure you get all the dust off. Make sure you get the dust off. Just take your time with it. You only get one shot. Yeah, you know how it goes. So we're going to get the glass. We're going to drop it in there. You get one shot, folks. So make sure that you do it right. This is on here pretty tight. I'm actually kind of nervous peeling this glass off because it is on here tight. They got a serious lock on this glass, man. Woo! Careful when you take that off, folks. I'm not lying. It will make you nervous. And then you just drop it in there. And there you go. I don't even have to press down. and it seals itself up. Now, if you have bubbles, folks, we say this all the time when we do screen protector installs. If you have bubbles, just rest assured they're going to go away. It takes about 24 hours for the screen to officially heat itself up indefinitely with a tempered glass or a screen protector. Look at that perfect install, folks. Oh, not a bubble or a bum. So when your phone is off, can you see that? There, you can see it when I put the light. When I put the light right by, you can definitely see it. This is fire. This is a great concept. And now let's power the screen back on. And let's see how it actually, if it interferes with any of the, well, it won't, because I can already see the logo. The Apple logo is like on top of the Packers information. This is fire. Like, whoever thought of this, kudos to them, man. Who thought of this? Like, some things, our world today is amazing. The concepts that come up are, it disappears. Wow. That completely disappears. And then it comes back when your screen is, folks, this is incredible. I was wondering how this would work. Like when I'm looking at it, I can't even see that it says Packers. And when it dims down, boom, it says Packers. Wow. It would be even fire, like if I wanted to turn off my always on display and then you just get the other version. Let me hold on a second. So I went in and selected, I unchecked show wallpaper and I turned it all off. Now check this out. Now it just shows the clock, and it's even better. Like, it's literally, I'm gonna leave it like this. I like that. Oh, you literally I can see it. I don't know how well. I need to put the light on it. There you go. Now you guys can see it. Wow, folks, that's fire. And then when you fire it up, it's like it only shows on black screens. That's fire right there. That's so. Let me tell you something. Screen Skinz. You're showing out. You're showing out. I will tell you a funny story about the personal email from Screen Skinz, but I won't. I'll just send in this video and say, "Go Packers, cheeseheads." Anyway, this is an amazing temper. And touch sensitivity is good, folks. Touch sensitivity is great. No issues whatsoever. Totally smooth. It's on there. It's good. Clean install, case friendly. Let me grab a case. Why not one of the most flyest cases ever? From a completely different OEM. Boom. Oh, yes. And bam. Case friendly. Screen Skinz and Ringy. Who would have thought? It's your man Jay. Wow. I'm going to leave a link to the description to grab one of these, folks. This thing is fire. It's crazy. Maybe I'll do a video on her little eagles. We'll see. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.